Hey guys, today I'm going to show you masking. So if you don't know about masking in Photoshop, then you're in the right place. So let's begin. Here's the image, and if you want to cut the background part or you want to remove the part, you can save it as backup. So we'll use object selection tool for masking, and here we select the object, and now here you can see the mask here icon. You can select it, or you can select and mask in the upper, you can see it there. And now you can see the quick selection tool and refine edge brush tool. So we will use refine edge brush tool. Let's see the properties bar. See the transparency, so you can see, make sure it's in minus. Refine edge brush tool, then you can see the background should look good. So with the use of transparency, you can see the background. You can put in the new layer, or you can on the same. So I'm using the same on layer. And now after masking, you can change the background color. I'm using the light pink. You can use whatever you want. Use the brush, soft, make size bigger, and now the opacity is low. Decrease the opacity low and make it a contour cell. Okay, on masking layer I'm using this. You can disable it, or you can see your background. Now this is the use of masking. You have that as a background.